Hi, I'm Cameron.
Hi, I'm Robin.
Hi, I'm Jason.
Hi, I'm Kristen.
Hi, I'm Sean.
Hi, I'm Mignon, and we are Dyvrs Pages. Dyvrs Pages is a tool for our community created to help consumers discover and explore minority-owned businesses in Columbus. Search for restaurants, coffee shops, florists, clothing stores, and much more. Dyvrs Pages is dedicated to the growth and promotion of diversity in our business community.
Our team was adaptable to the current state of the workforce. COVID-19 forced us apart, but we were still able to work together thanks to several distance learning solutions. Our team used Google Meet, Google Docs, and the messaging app Slack. We utilized GitHub to control our workflow. Collectively, these tools helped us work together more collaboratively and effectively, even though we were scattered across Ohio and the country. We used several design programming languages and techniques on the back end, such as Java, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript on the front end, all implemented in a hybrid static dynamic design.
Let me give you our first scenario. As a minority business owner of the restaurant Lalabella, I'm looking to expand my customer base. After doing due diligence and research, I've decided to go with Dyvrs Pages. To get started, navigate to the business portal at the top of the page. Select Create an Account. Due to the length of this section, I've already filled out the necessary information ahead of time. Once the W-9 form is added, hit the Submit button. Upon approval, I can log in and update my company's information. After submitting my changes, I can go to the restaurant's page to find my listing.
Consider another scenario. I'm a resident of Columbus who's heard about what Dyvrs Pages is doing and wants to learn more. From the mission page, I can learn about the ideals that motivate the app and what it hopes to accomplish. I can find out more about the individual members of Dyvrs Pages from the Teams page. And if I have an idea on how to improve the site, I can go to the Suggestions page and leave a note for the developers. Dyvrs Pages wants to be transparent and accessible to the communities that it serves.
For our last scenario, I'll show you how Dyvrs Pages can be beneficial to the consumer. Let's pretend I'm looking to find a minority-owned grocery store. Our homepage, there's a circle displaying different categories. Now, when I move down, I can find a random selection of businesses on the site. And the site changes every time the page is refreshed. Since I'm looking for a grocery store, I'll go back to our circle of categories and select grocery stores. Here I can find all the minority-owned groceries that are registered with Dyvrs Pages. Now, let's look more closely at one. If I click on Patel Brothers, I go directly to their individual store, and this is where I can learn more about them, including their hours and what they offer. The page also includes an embedded Google map as well as a link to the store's personal website.
Let me give you a tour of the tech we used to create Dyvrs Pages. On the back end, we designed our project Instructor using Java with Spring Boot. This links to a JPA database, allowing us to easily manipulate the categories and stores that make up Dyvrs Pages. For our front-end presentation, we implemented a hybrid methodology. The structure of the page was designed using static HTML and CSS, including grid and flex to perfect our layouts. And to move through all of the categories and stores, the page uses JavaScript and DOM manipulation, allowing the heart of the program to be rendered and interacted with dynamically from the browser.
Our team also used object-oriented programming to build our project. GitHub helped us organize our project using their Scrum boards during our stand-ups and their cloud services to store and share our codes amongst the team. Dyvrs Pages had over 30 branches during the Agile process. Our team found mob programming as well as pair programming to be most effective.
One of our biggest design challenges was constructing all of the categories in the shape of a circle. To solve this, we went back to our high school trigonometry days to figure out how to get all 8 categories to appear in a neat but functioning circle. We eventually got it working. Another challenge was deciding how we wanted the overall functionality of our application to run. We knew the two best options we had were to design our website as either a single page or multi-page application. After weighing the pros and cons of each, we decided to implement an application that was a hybrid of the two.
During the beginning of this process, our team had some very high ambitions in regard to features and functionalities. Unfortunately, we were not able to complete everything within the timeline. At the beginning of our third week, we prioritized our remaining features and functionalities and also set aside additional hours to work after class to preserve our launch date provided by our Scrum Master, Lacey. Half of our team was in different cities and states during this project. Working remote was a silver lining.
We have grown so much over the development of Dyvrs Pages. Beyond the coding on the front end and back end, we all have to fill every role in the development process. Each of us at some point had to be designer, project manager, quality assurance tester, and marketer. Every decision came down to the 6 of us. It gives a sense of perspective on the complexity of software development and how important every person is for the success of the whole project.
We are
Dyvrs
Dyvrs
Pages.
Pages.